Alright, well in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps. Sometimes it's necessary to remove bloatware that was installed when you got your computer, or maybe you've just installed errant programs that you want to get rid of. Getting rid of these programs helps free up space as well as can also speed up your computer because many apps could be using your background processes without you even knowing it. But how do you know what to remove? A couple things you can take a look at. Basically, you know, if you look at it and you see pre-installed things like antivirus, games, shopping apps that you never use, those are pretty much safe to remove. But you want to stay away from anything that basically says Windows. All right? Don't take care of those. Don't get those out of the way. Your system needs a lot of those to actually function, especially anything that says Microsoft Visual, C++, redistributable, .NET, DirectX, or any kind of hardware drivers. They are required by the programs. If you're ever in doubt, always search the program name online before deleting. So one of the first things that we can do is we can just take a look at what's installed already. So we'll take a look at our apps, click on all apps. We can kind of go down and see, what do we have. Candy Crush. Do I need Candy Crush? No, I do not. So this would be something I could take away, or something like Dell Optimizer. This would be something added on by Dell as far as ways to make their systems run better, smoother, sounds great and all, but a lot of the core Windows programs can do it anyway. It's just additional programs you really don't need. So in here, I can come in, I can right click, uninstall, and be done. Now this works only for package applications. Basically things that could be installed on the Windows Store. There are other programs that can't be done that easily. And in those cases, you'd have to come in and go to your control panel, programs and features, and you can see different programs that you can uninstall from there, such as this Dell Optimizer. And you can come in here, click uninstall, and it will start that process. Clean it up, get it out, be done with it. Now, there are some times that a program kind of sticks. It doesn't come out easily. So you may be able to use their own uninstaller. And you may be able to find those in the program with them. Like, take for instance this Solarium. If I come inside of it and I find it's, then there's an uninstall. And I can double click it. Yes, it uninstalls. So I can use its own uninstaller to get rid of it as well. Now, what if it doesn't have its own uninstaller? Control panel doesn't work, app doesn't work, something messed up. Well, come into Terminal or PowerShell. PowerShell is a very, very strong program. And a couple things you can do in here. One, you can use the command get appx package. These would be for the things that are on the Windows Store applications that you can download from there if they get hung up, or you could just feel like doing it in here. Go ahead and do it in here. You put in that get appx package, the pipe, select name, package full name. The pipe basically allows that get appx package command to be followed by immediately another command, so you don't have to put it in twice. Alright, so you put this in, it's going to get all those packages that can be installed from the Windows application side, that Windows Store. And then you can get the name from this, whatever it may be. Maybe you're looking to get rid of this Microsoft Zune music. Alright, so to do so, you'd come over and you would do, again, that get appx package, but then you put in the name. For here, it's the Candy Crush Saga. So I can use the king.com Candy Crush Saga pipe, remove, hyphen, appx package, and it begins to remove that package, gets rid of it. Now, for anything that's not on that Microsoft Store side, then you can use the winget command. The winget list is going to list out all of those programs. It's going to go through and give you a full list. Windows Media Player, Phone Link, Game Speech Window, Game Box, Game Bar. Plenty of different things in here that you can basically remove that are not in that Windows Store application. So you get the name just like in before, and the command you're going to use is the winget uninstall, makes sense, and the title of it. Put it in parentheses, and then you can click enter. It's going to uninstall that app. Now, this will take care of 90% of all your headaches in trying to uninstall applications off your computer, to clean up, to make it run faster, to get it cleaner, free up space. But sometimes you have to get to the registry and just delete out the applications from the registry itself, because for one reason or another it's leaving things behind. There's nothing you can do, it's broken, and you just have to delete it from here. But do this at caution. You could completely break your entire system by doing the wrong thing in your registry editor. So, a different option, safer option, would be to use a third-party application. So, IOBit, as well as Geek Uninstaller and Revo Uninstaller, all claim to be able to get rid of all of those applications and all the little trails that they leave, to completely remove it from your system. So you could utilize one of these as well if you're just looking to completely find an easy path to go to get rid of that program, and then you're set. You're ready to go. Most times too, don't forget to also restart your computer so it finalizes all of those. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Please select follow, and we'll talk to you later.